You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome back to your guide to making international relocation as stress-free as possible. And today we're continuing our 5-part series on moving from Los Angeles or San Francisco to the United Kingdom. And in this episode, we're going to cover the comprehensive range of services offered by SDC International Shipping and share some useful tips to adjusting to life in the UK. SDC International Shipping is proud to provide a wide array of services designed for individuals and families who are relocating to the UK. Moving overseas can be overwhelming, but we aim to take care of all the details so you can focus on enjoying your new adventure. First, let's talk about international housing moving services. Whether you're moving alone or with an entire family, our expert team of movers is here to handle every aspect of your relocation, from packing up your home in LA or San Francisco to settling into your new life in the UK. We ensure a smooth and a hassle-free experience. If you plan to bring your car, we also offer car shipping services. Moving a car from the US to the UK doesn't have to be complicated. Our experienced team is well versed in international car shipping procedures, ensuring your vehicle arrives safely and efficiently. And what about packing? We understand that packing up your entire life for an international move can be one of the most stressful parts of the process. That's why we offer various packing options tailored to your specific needs. Whether you prefer to do some packing yourself or have our professional team handle everything, we're here to make the process as easy as possible. Shipping insurance backs all of our services for an added peace of mind. We prioritize protecting your belongings so you can rest assured that your items are covered throughout the moving process. And of course, your pets are part of the family too, and that's why we offer pet travel services, making sure your furry friends can join you on your new adventure. Our dedicated team is going to help you navigate the requirements for bringing pets across the border, making the process as smooth as possible for you and your pets. Now, let's talk about some helpful tips for the life in the UK. One thing you'll notice is that the public holidays are different. Unlike America, the UK has fewer public holidays, known as bank holidays. You won't find holidays like Thanksgiving, Memorial Day, or the 4th of July. Instead, the UK has 8 to 10 bank holidays, depending on the country within the UK. But the work-life balance is often better in the UK. This makes up for the fewer public holidays. Full-time workers are legally entitled to at least 28 days of paid vacation every year, much more than the typical 10 days in the US. Plus, most office-based jobs follow the standard 9-to-5 schedule, which gives you plenty of time to relax. And here's another thing to remember. Not everyone in the UK speaks like the Queen. While movies might make you believe that everyone sounds like royalty, the UK is home to a huge range of accents, many of which are quite strong. The further north you go, the more distinct the accents become. If you visit Glasgow, for example, you might find yourself nodding politely while trying to understand what's being said. But don't worry, it happens to everyone. So are you ready to move to the UK and start a new adventure? At SDC International Shipping, we want to make your transition to the UK as seamless and stress-free as possible. From household moving and car shipping to packing, insurance, and pet travel, you can trust us to handle your move with the utmost care and professionalism. For more information or to discuss your specific requirements, please give us a call at 877-339-0267 or visit our website for a free moving quote. Let us take care of the details so you can focus on enjoying your new life in the UK. Thanks for joining us today. Be sure to tune in next time as we continue our series on relocating to the UK.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.